What's up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. Thank you for stopping in if you are new. So I just want to thank everybody. I actually hit 10,000 followers on Instagram. So thank you for that. And if you don't follow me, it's down in the description. I post a lot of like behind the scenes stuff and all that over there. But today we're going to be working on the Chevy Cruze here. If you don't know, I bought this probably 8-9 months ago off my mom for a daily driver while the 98's actually in the shop getting worked on. So we're going to be working on it today, and what we're going to be doing is fixing this. So a lot of you guys know I'm not a huge fan of like the factory options and stuff of like the light colors and everything, or the orange. Obviously these are super dirty right now, but none of this has orange in it. So we're going to be changing that with a little bit of just film tint. So I figured why not bring you guys along. We'll be changing that, and obviously this one on this side right down there. And then I might also even attempt or try to do these ones back here. They shouldn't be too difficult, especially this one here because it's a flat surface. We'll just lay a sheet, kind of squeegee everything out, and then take a razor blade and just kind of cut around the edges there. And then this one's going to be more difficult because it's flat here, but then you have a rolled edge that comes down. So we're going to try and get maybe something figured out here. I don't know if it'd be easier to take this whole thing out and then kind of lay the sheet out and then try and lift the headlight into the sheet to make it a little bit easier. But we're going to be attempting those. So I figured why not bring you along. We got the fiance right there. She's probably going to be helping us do this as well. And then all I'm going to do on basically getting these ready for the tent is I have some rubbing alcohol. Actually, it's isopropyl alcohol. It's like 90% or 90 proof, whatever you want to call it. But we'll take a shop rag and just get that all nice and cleaned. Let it dry. Maybe take the blow nozzle, which is right there. Just kind of get it nice and dry. And then take this, cut a small sheet off of it. And all this does is it peels off. It's like a double-sided film. I got it on eBay for $8 or something like that. So it's probably not the greatest stuff in the world. But yeah, we're going to see what happens. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and get this stuff cleaned up. And I'll bring you back shortly. All right, guys, so I figured since we got that done and looking good, we might as well make the rest of the car look good because obviously this is quite dirty. So we're just gonna give it a quick bath. Front of it, you can tell it's got a bunch of just, crud and stuff on there. Back's, I think, even worse. The side of it's almost two-toned. Camera will focus real quick. There we go. You can see how dirty it is back here. License plates covered. Get this thing nice, get some Rain-X and stuff thrown back on the windows. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and fire up the foam cannon and pressure washer and we'll get this thing clean. Well, there we go, guys. The cruise is clean. I was gonna try and vinyl wrap the hood, or the roof, excuse me. And then the vinyl decided it just wanted to rip. So that might still happen at a later point, but I think what happened is I had the vinyl in the office here in the shop, and I think it just, the cold temperatures just wasn't good for it. So I might just have to wait till summer. So we have some of them hotter days to kind of heat the roof up, keep that vinyl nice and warm. But no, the cruise turned out pretty good. I haven't cleaned it in, I don't even, probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So those turned out really good. I think that's about all we did, is that, then wash it and stuff. It's nice and squeaky clean now. I waxed it real quick, got the windows Rain-X, and you can just see the reflection there. So for this car being a 2012 and it having 230,000 miles on it, this thing still cleans up really nice. Shaylin was saying once my truck gets done and back over here, she's gonna start driving this. I was like, huh, not with fuel prices the way they are. I won't be able to afford my truck to drive it. When gas was like $1.50 or whatever it was, I was still spending like 60 bucks to fill it, and I can only imagine what it would be like now. So until gas prices decide they want to come back down, I'll be driving this thing. But no, like I said, not too much going on in this video. Just want to kind of get you guys some content. I want to make a video. Still trying to adjust settings and stuff on the camera, so bear with me. That's part of the reason why I wanted to just kind of come out and just make a quick little fun video. Thanks to the fiance for helping me record and wrap and all that stuff. But anyway, guys, remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM Man. I'll catch you guys next one. Peace.